Welcome to Fauna Fables, where we share touching stories of kindness and animal rescues. In this hectic world, small yet loving acts of humans towards animals ignite sparks of hope and new life for them. Each story we tell is a clear testament to compassion and the bond between humans and nature. Join us as we explore and feel the heartwarming moments when little creatures overcome adversity, thanks to the invaluable help from kind-hearted people. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support our channel. A fawn got its head stuck in a fence and couldn't get out. With the help of a kind man, it was able to escape safely. A sheep got its head stuck in a fence on a high hill. Undeterred by the difficulty, a young man risked himself to save the sheep safely. A goat fell into a freezing cold water pit, making it feel scared. An excavator helped the goat hold on and climb up quickly. A man found a baby goat near death in a garage. Seeing it still breathing, he took it home to care for it. The goat escaped death and lived happily with its savior. A deer fell into the sea and was rescued by a kind young man. When the boat docked, he returned the deer to the wild. A turtle got stuck in rocky terrain, making it difficult to move back to the sea. A kind man quickly took the turtle back to the sea. A hungry baby martin kept circling a man's fish barrel. Seeing this, he opened the barrel lid and gave the martin a delicious fish. Seeing a stray dog sleeping curled up on the street, a kind man picked up a blanket to cover it. A hungry fox was searching for food in a yard. Seeing this, the man brought it some food to help it through its hunger. An owl got entangled in a rope, hanging upside down from a tree branch. Seeing this, two men helped untangle the rope and released the owl back into the sky. A hungry stray dog was wandering in search of food. Seeing this, a passerby helped it get a free meal. A deer got its antlers stuck in a net and couldn't get out. Seeing this, the man approached and removed the net from the deer's antlers. Two deer locked antlers and got stuck on opposite sides of a tree. Two kind men saw this and helped the deer separate. A cow got stuck at a road barrier. Seeing this, the man helped it move freely. goat got its head stuck in a tree and couldn't free itself. Seeing this, the man helped the goat safely escape from the tree. A deer got stuck trying to squeeze through a fence gap. Seeing this, the man helped the deer quickly escape the fence. A stingray washed ashore by waves was lying on the verge of death. Seeing this, the man quickly returned the stingray to the sea. A smart seal jumped onto a fishing boat. Seeing this, the fisherman gave it some fish to satisfy its hunger. After eating, the seal quickly returned to the sea. A goat got its head stuck in a sack and couldn't free itself. A passerby noticed and helped the goat free its head from the sack. An adopted stray dog loved its owner very much. Every day, it helped the owner neatly arrange firewood. Thirsty fledgling birds perched by a house window. Seeing this, a woman opened a bottle of water and helped each bird get a drink. A hungry raccoon bravely moved into a residential area to beg for food. Seeing this, the kind homeowner helped it get a delicious meal. A man quickly climbed down to a coastal walkway to rescue a bird that fell into a mud pit. He gently removed the obstacles and helped it fly freely. A kind person placed a wooden plank in a barrel to help a raccoon escape safely.